Okay, so on the axis below, sketch the graph of mod of x plus 3 minus x minus 3. Let us first sketch the graph of x plus 3, this quadratic, no, and x minus 5. Now, if this is a quadratic. Now, if you have to sketch this graph, then we know its x-intercept are -3 and +5. So let's say this is -3. Okay, and approximately here it is +5. And to find y-intercept, you put x equal to 0. So y-intercept, if you put x equal to 0, it should be 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 5. So 3 minus 5, -15. All right. So y-intercept -15 means our graph is going -15. Let's say this is -15 somewhere here. And as you know, the vertex would be midway between -3 and 5. That is here. Turning point should be there. That means our graph is going further down, right? So, but these are three key points: -3, 5, and -15. 0, -15 is the point, no? So, graph of this quadratic would look like this. Okay. Now, to get mod, you would like to reflect the graph below x-axis. I just take this away. Reflect the graph means you are going to take this -15 up there, +15, and this graph is going like this. Okay, here. Okay, let me redraw it. Should be as smooth as possible, like this, going slightly up and going down. And if I just continue drawing this, they should continue going this way, and this should continue. The yellow graph here is the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3, x minus 5. Okay, the first part is done. And the second part, let's see. In the second part, it says, write down the suitable domain for the function fx is equal to this, so that f has an inverse. For f to have inverse, right, you can take any part of domain. There are many domains that you can break this into. Like you can take x is less than equal to -3, because then you'd have just this graph. You can find the inverse of this. 1, 1, no? Or this is one of the domain. And one more domain is possible. You can say x is greater than equal to 5, like. You can also write on, see, they are just asking one. So either you write this or write this. You can also break it down like this. From this point, the vertex, it's midway between, no? So x equal to 1 to 5. So you can, one domain you can also write. See, one more option there. So like that, there can be many answers. This option should be 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 5. So like that, we can break our function into domains, and then they will have inverse there. As you see, if I take the entire function, it will not have inverse in the horizontal line. It is intersecting my graph, so many points, no? I hope you understand what we are saying. So that's all for now. We have this yellow graph and any one of these answers for the second one. Let's write this. Okay, fine.